Hey everyone, welcome back. If Slack is not working on your PC, not opening, crashing, stuck loading, or failing to connect, don't worry. This is usually caused by cache issues, network blocks, or app glitches. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack is fully cloud-based. If your internet is slow or unstable, Slack may freeze or show connection errors. Open a browser and test another website. If nothing loads, restart your router first. Step 2. Fully close Slack. Sometimes Slack keeps running in the background and causes bugs. Press Control plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Slack, click it, and select End Task, then reopen Slack. Step 3. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache is one of the biggest causes of Slack problems. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%/Slack. Delete everything inside this folder. Don't worry, this does not delete your messages, only temporary files. Now reopen Slack. Step 4, update Slack. Older versions stop working properly. Open Slack, then click your profile picture, then check for updates. If Slack doesn't open, uninstall it and download the latest version from the official Slack website. Step 5, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs and firewalls often block Slack servers. Turn off VPN temporarily and check if Slack connects. If it works, your network settings were the issue. Step 6, check date and time settings. Incorrect system time can break secure connections. Right-click your clock. Then adjust date/time. Then turn on automatic time. Step 7, reinstall Slack, my final fix. If nothing works, uninstall Slack completely from Control Panel, restart your PC, and install it fresh. This fixes deep system conflicts. Most Slack issues come from cache corruption, network blocks, or outdated app versions, and these steps solve almost all of them. Try these fixes, and Slack should start working again. See you in the next guide.